Hello, how are you all up here? Very welcome to YouTube. We make trillionaire San. So, guys, here I have brought a very important update regarding Pepe Coin. Guys, here, first of all, take a look at the current price of Pepe Coin. If you look here, you can see that after 0.50, the series of 90 is going on and the dump is going on by around 18%. So, if we talk about the previous 7 days, then here a good dump has been seen in the market, in the entire market, guys. And this was also seen in crypto, because you all know that the condition of the war between Israel and Iran is getting very bad. Here, the impact of which is being seen in the entire market. So here, take a look at its current ranking. The rank is 28. And here, guys, if you look at its market cap, you can see that it is 3.82 billion. And currently, it is down by around 8.35%. And look at its trading volume. It is quite good right now. It will rise. Currently, it is up by 25.65%. And around now, the trading volume of previous 24 hours is $841 million. So, guys, here's some big updates are coming. If we talk about the last few weeks, there has been a good accumulation in the market. Tokens have been bought in trillions by whales. And retail investors are also buying at a good level, the impact of which can be seen in the market very soon in the form of a good spike up in the price of this coin. So here an update also came on the official site. You can see the market periodical. Here an update came that Pepe coin price set to explore is the next all-time high coming. So this reason is also being found here, guys. A new all-time high can be seen very soon, because as I said, the market has shifted to bullish momentum. Pepe coin is being bought at a massive level, and a good one here, a good increase has been seen in its community. Its holders are increasing, which can bring a good spike up in its price, guys. Here, as I said, you can see its current all-time high is 0.2825, which was around December 2024. Guys, it also touches the all-time high from its current price. So here it can easily give you 2 to 3 times profit. There are chances, guys, it will cross its all-time high very soon. So if we talk technically here, you can see a massive demand zone area where buyers are seriously active, from where you can see that even earlier a good massive rally was seen. Then there was a breakdown. But finally, after the breakout, a retest was taken and a pump was seen. And finally, it is retesting this zone. So here, this zone holds on, guys. From here, I'm taking the price of Pepe coin with a good massive rally. So, which is its current all-time high, which can be seen, guys, after touching which a good dump was seen, that it will cross its